I am a motorcyclist. I have traded 4 wheels for 2. A wheel for a bar. A floor for pegs. I ride as one with my bike. There are times when I can no longer tell where my body ends and my machine begins. I am a motorcyclist. I have forsaken a roof for the sky, a shield for the wind, a heater for the sun. I ride in direct contact with the forces of nature. Indeed, I isolate myself from them at my own peril. There are times when I can no longer tell where my body ends and the rush of the wind begins. I am a motorcyclist. I count myself not amongst those whom, for fear of dying, dare not live, but rather amongst those who risk that we may be truly alive. This is the essence of freedom, power, and independence. Yet these things come at a price I gladly surrender. I am a motorcyclist, and this is why I ride.